Now let's do the chart reading of letter X. X. What is this, children? X. X for xylophone. Do you know what is xylophone? Xylophone is a musical instrument. Xylophone is a musical instrument and it is having the bars which is made up of wood. Children, do you know you can play the music in the xylophone by hitting the bars with the help of stick. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Have you ever seen the Xmas tree? Yes. We all seen the Xmas tree during Christmas time. X for Xmas tree. What is Xmas tree? Xmas tree is a coniferous tree and it is decorated during the Christmas with lights and colorful ornaments. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. X-ray use a small amount of radiation to take the pictures of inside of your body. X-ray use small amount of radiation to take the picture of inside of your body. X for X-ray. X for Zephyrs. X for Zephyrs. Do you know what is Zephyrs? Zephyrs is a swordfish. Okay, Zephyrs is a swordfish having long, pointed and bony beak. Well, it is usually having two tusk-like teeth in the lower jaw and no teeth in the upper jaw. Zephyrs. X for Zephyrs. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. A very good morning to all of you children. How are you all? Good. So, let's start the chart reading of letter Y. What is this, children? Letter Y. It's a Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Do you know what is yak? Have you ever seen it, children? Children, yak is a long-haired cow-like animal which is mainly found in mountain areas like Himalayan region. Okay, and see, lots of long hair are present in yak, na? So, all yak have long hairs which keep them warm in cold places. So, they can survive in cold places. Y for yak. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Do you know what is yarn? Yarn is a long, continuous length of fibers that has been filled together or rolled together. And have you noticed we also tie our kite with this yarn? Yes, na? Right. We also tie our kite with this yarn to hold its movement or to control its movement. Okay? Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Children, yacht is like a boat. Y for yacht. It is like a boat to travel in water or for sailing also. So Y for yacht. Y. Y for yo-yo. Oh, I hope you all know what is yo-yo, right? Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo is a kind of toy. Yes, you all like toys. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo is a kind of toy which is used for playing, right? And you liked it so much. You all liked it so much. Y for yo-yo. And Y for yellow. Yellow color. Which color it is? Yellow. So Y for yellow. See the example of yellow color. Yellow sunflower, yellow sun, yellow. Which color present in it? Yellow. Yellow sunflower and yellow sun. Y for yellow. Yo-yo. Y for yak. Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Y for yo-yo. Now, let's do the chart reading of Z. What is this? Letter Z. This is Z. Okay, children? So, Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Do you know what is zebra? Zebra looks very similar to horse, and they are very well known for their black and white strips. And children, do you know? Each species of zebra has its own pattern of strips. So, each and every zebra has different pattern of strips. Black and white strips are different in every zebra. Okay? Zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. I think every one of you has visited to zoo. There are so many animals we can see. Varieties of animals, right? Z for zoo. Zoo is also known as the zoological garden. So, it is a place where all types of animals are confined and displayed for the public to see. You can see so many animals here. Z for zoo. Z for zigzag. Children, zigzag is a shape like this. Okay, zigzag. Z for zigzag.
Or zigzag.
Z for zip. Where we can see the zip? In clothes, in bags, right? And where it is used and what is the use of the zip? To close something. Okay, if we want to close the bag, then we pull the zip and it is closed. So Z for zip.
Zip.
Z for zero. What is this, children? Zero. Number 0. Where we write 0? See, 1 0 1 0 10. 1 0 10. So 0. Z for 0. One more. Z for zebra crossing. Z for zebra crossing. What is the use of zebra crossing? Zebra crossing is a place on road that is marked with black and white strips. See, it is marked with black and white strips where the vehicle stops so that the people can walk across the road. Okay, Z for zebra crossing. It is called zebra crossing because of its black and white strips, which is very similar to zebra. Z for zebra crossing. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z for zigzag, Z for zip. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z for zigzag, Z for zip.
Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you one more new rhyme. This is our rhymes book. This rhyme I am going to teach you today. Are you sleeping? This is a boy, girl, sister and brother. He is John. His sister has come to wake him. He is sleeping, fast asleep. She is telling, "Come on, brother, get up, get up. The sun has come up in the sky. You get up and be ready. We'll play together. Morning bells are ringing, ding dong bell. So get up fast." This is the rhyme. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong bell, ding dong bell. Now I will demonstrate to you and show you, okay? You sleeping. Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong bell, ding dong bell. Again I repeat. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong bell, ding dong bell. Thank you.
Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you're all doing very good. Daily we are eating so many different types of foods, right? Today we'll see some of the food categories. What are these, children? These are fruits. What are these? Fruits. See, so many fruits are there. You already have learned about fruits. All these fruits are very rich in vitamins and very good for health. Daily, you must eat a fruit after your meal. And what are these? These are vegetables, green vegetables and some colorful vegetables. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, proteins, and they keeps you healthy and fit. You have to eat vegetables daily. You can eat some of the vegetables raw and some can be eaten cooked. And what is this? This is a burger. What is this? This is a burger. Where you can see the burger? In bakeries and in restaurants. Okay, children? While you're eating anytime a burger, you just remember this name is burger. And what is this? This is cake. Yummy, yummy cake. Everyone likes cake, isn't it? Really? Yes, even I love eating cakes. Cake is very sweet and very delicious. And what is this? These are sweets. What are these? These are sweets and candies. These are made up of sugar. They are very, very sweet in taste and so colorful. But you should not eat too much of sweets, too much of candies and chocolates. If you eat too much of sweets, it will damage your teeth. Okay? And next, what are these? These are Pulses. These are pulses. Pulses we can see at our home. Daily mummy will be cooking pulses, and eating pulses is very good for health. Pulses are rich in protein. They help you to grow. Okay children, once again we'll see. What are these? These are fruits. These are fruits. These are vegetables. These are vegetables. This is a burger. This is a burger. And what is this? This is yummy yummy cake. This is a cake. What are these? These are colorful sweets. These are sweets. What are these? These are pulses. These are pulses. Thank you, children. Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today, we are going to see and learn about some of the flowers. These are so beautiful and so colorful. Flowers are very beautiful. They give feast to our eyes. We can see so many flowers in our garden, in school, park, and in the meadows and all. So, flowers are very beautiful and they are of different colors. And now, we'll see some of the flowers. What is this? This is a rose flower. What is this? Rose flower. R for rose flower. A rose flower is red and very beautiful in color. And what is this? This is a sunflower. What is this? This is a sunflower. A sunflower is yellow in color. We can always see the sunflower facing towards the sun. See how is it looking? It is looking like a sun. So it always moves towards the sun. It always faces towards the sun. So it is called sunflower. It is yellow in color. What is this? This is a beautiful lotus flower. What is this? Lotus flower. L for lotus. Lotus is our national flower. It is very beautiful, pink in color. Where we can see the lotus? Lotus will be grown only in water. We can see this in water. What is this? This is dahlia. This is dahlia. It comes in different colors and it is a very big flower. It looks so beautiful. What is this? This is dahlia. D for dahlia. And what is this? This is jasmine. This is jasmine. It is white and small flowers and it smells very good. It is used to make perfumes. This is jasmine. These are white in color. What is this? Jasmine. And what is this? This is tulip. This is tulip flower. This is tulip flower. T for tulip flower. It is very beautiful and comes in different colors. Now once again we'll see all the flowers. What is this? Rose flower. This is rose flower. This is sunflower. This is sunflower. This is lotus flower. This is lotus flower. This is dahlia. This is dahlia. This is jasmine. This is jasmine. This is tulip. This is tulip. Okay children, learn all the names. Thank you children.
Hello children. Today we will learn 5 lines about my school.
We play many games. We make friends in school. We learn good manners and habits. We learn to share things with our friends. We learn music and dance. And our teachers help us to learn all these things.
The first point is the name of my school is Jyotiwala Vihar. The name of my school is Jyoti Wala Vihar. We have beautiful playground with swings. So many swings are there. We have beautiful playground with swings. We have big classrooms. We have big classrooms. We also have an audio visual room, that is the computer room or AV room. We also have an audio visual room. Then the last point is we are proud of our school. We are proud of our school. So children, learn all the 5 lines about my school in this sequence. Watch this video and learn all the 5 lines. Take care. Bye bye and thank you.